Once upon a time, in a solar system long, long ago, a solar system was born. Ours. When the sun was created, debris made planets. And one of these special planets is our own. But 4.5 billion years ago, our planet was nothing like the blue planet we see today. It was a poisonous atmospheric disaster. It was almost 300 degrees Celsius and completely inhospitable for humans and any life to exist. For a long time, it seemed it would be like this forever, but then an event changed everything. Another planet, Theia, smashed into the Earth and brought this lucky accident was the beginning to the Earth we know and love. Most of the debris circled the Earth for a very long time. And over time, the Earth's temperature cooled. Eventually, comets appeared, like these. But these aren't ordinary comets. These are ice comets. For now, they're just debris orbiting our planet. Eventually, many of these comets landed on the Earth. And did several things. They cooled down the Earth even more, and the Earth's orbit began to slow and stabilize. Eventually, these comets brought life to the Earth. Frozen bacteria in the asteroids. But another purpose happened. The rest of the debris formed in the gravity of a satellite known as our moon. Our moon attempted to escape the Earth's gravity at one point. Still hot and superheated by the pull of gravity, it is eventually sucked back into Earth's orbit. The moon here is smaller than it is today, but over time the rest of the debris smashed into the moon and made the moon bigger and bigger. Right now it is far too close to the Earth to be of any help with oceans, etc. But its first mission is to stabilize the Earth's pull. Over the next billion years, the moon forms and slows and cools down the Earth. But our story isn't finished here. Let us travel several billion years in the future. This is the Earth a billion years ago. With the moon's orbit finally stabilized, it's now a force for good. Water from the comets formed, and the Earth has its first oceans and the first life, mostly bacteria. And the moon's stable orbit controls the tides. At first they were violent, but now they are perfect to sustain life. And a billion years from now, we will look upon the moon as not only our little guide in the night sky, but also the guy who simply brought us the ingredients for life.